Dwi'n cofio'r teulu cynta yn ein cyrraedd ni tua 7 mlynedd yn ôl. Ac mi oedd y lle le rydyn ni'n sefyll nawr yn llawn o bobl yn perthyn i wahanol fudiadau.
When we landed here, I was very unsure.
Gradually, once the children have settled down, we started to, teach, work with them through teaching them something and playing games so that they are happy to be part of the class.
When the children first arrive, they're not always able to communicate through English language, and so art is a very good vehicle to allow them to express themselves.
Nodwedd yr ysgol yw'r modd mae'r teuluoedd wedi ffitio fewn i'r dim ein cymuned ni.
I did different work in the school like painting, cutting grass.
We have an international evening, and a lot of the Syrian and Ukrainian families, they contribute to that fully.
Dyn ni'n adnabod ein plant yn dda a'i anghenion, ac felly mae datblygu sgiliau EAL Saesneg y plant wedi bod yn holl bwysig.
When we came to here, we couldn't speak English. Yeah, but when my children, they start in school, Plascrug, the school has done a lot of support, actually, for me and for my children.
Roedd Miss Noha wedi fi helpu Gymraeg a Saesneg.
Dyn ni'n ffodus iawn o wedi cael staff arbennig i gydweithio gyda'n plant sy'n ffoaduriaid.
My teacher is so kind. The school is just a respectful place. The teachers are very welcoming and they're very friendly.
I'm not a very well-qualified psychologist, but what I can tell you for sure that they are all settled very good.
We also help the parents to feel calm about coming to school and to feel happy for the children to be in school.
If you have any problem or any question, they very support us.
When we came in here, we do not speak any word in English. We can't understand anything they offer, like to teach Arabic, they translate and they help us all the time.
Mae wedi bod yn dda o beth gweld perthynas da yn datblygu trwy blant lleol a rhyngwladol yn datblygu gyda'n ffoaduriaid, ac ar ôl ychydig, dyn ni ddim yn meddwl amdanyn nhw fel ffoaduriaid, ond plant sy'n rhan o'n ysgol ni.
I have friends from Wales, England, Egypt, Syria, Nigeria.
I like Wales because it's a good school here. It is lots of places to go. I like Everest because it's very beautiful place, and I love how it's always calm.
After first day, he changed his mind absolutely. So he was, yes, I like it.
Yeah, she is have friends and happy in school.
My children, they like the school, Plascrug, too much.
They like this school. Believe me, they like this school, and they like the teacher in here, and they like everything in here because they told me they feel in here like a family.
Why are Welsh people so good towards us? They are on the other side of the globe. And I came to some conclusion. Because you live on hills and you're closer to God. That's why you're so kind. I could hardly just imagine such a warm attitude, not just to myself, but to all Ukrainians. And we are so grateful for this, of course.